If you are watching this, chances are high that you or someone you know is dealing with an itch that feels like it's coming from another dimension, especially at night. Take a deep breath. Having scabies doesn't mean you are dirty, and it's not a reflection of your hygiene. It's a common medical condition caused by a tiny uninvited parasites. Today, we are breaking down what it is, how to spot it, and most importantly, how to get rid of it for good. Scabies isn't an infection in traditional sense, it's an infestation. It's caused by Sarcoptes scabiei per hominis, a microscopic mite that burrows into upper layer of your skin to live and lay eggs. Your body doesn't actually react to the bite. The intense itching that happens is actually an allergic reaction to the mite, their eggs, and their waste. How it spread? It requires prolonged skin-to-skin contact to spread scabies, like holding hands, sleeping in the same bed, or sharing infested clothing or linens. Weak handshakes usually won't do it, but it spreads fast in household. How do you know it's scabies and not just dry skin or eczema? Look for these three signs. The night itch. The itching becomes almost unbearable when you are trying to sleep. The burrow looks for tiny raised wavy lines that looks like silver or skin colored threads. And the location. Mites love the folds. Check between your fingers, around the wrist, elbow, armpits, and the waistline. Here is no nonsense guide getting rid of them. You usually need a prescription for this. Step 1. The cream. Doctors usually prescribe 5% permethrin cream. You apply it from neck down to the soles of your feet and leave it on for 8 to 14 hours, usually overnight, and then wash it off. 5% permethrin causes respiratory paralysis of the mites and their larvae, but you usually need another dose after 7 days because the eggs that did not hatch before giving first dose will hatch eventually and convert into larvae, and the second dose after 7 days will kill them. If you cannot remove all of them, the treatment is a failure. Step 2. You have to wash every piece of clothing, bedding, and towel used in last 3 days in hot water and dry them on highest heat setting. 3. The 72 hours rule. If you have items that can't be washed like a heavy coat or stuffed animal, seal them in a plastic bag for at least 3 to 7 days. The mite can't survive away from human skin for longer than 72 hours. Here is the mistake most people make. If you live with people or have a partner, everyone in your house needs to be treated at the same time, even if they aren't itching yet. If you don't, you will just keep passing the mites back and forth like a very annoying game of ping pong. Final tip. Don't be surprised if you still itch for a week or two after treatment. Your skin is still clearing out the debris. But if it persists longer than that, check back in with your doctor. If you have got this, wash your sheets, apply your cream, and you will be sleeping soundly again soon. If this video helped you feel less stressed, hit the like button and subscribe for more straightforward health type tips. Thank you very much.